Even if a marine VHF radio is currently not required for small recreational boats, place it high on your list of equipment to carry. Become familiar with a few of the many radio channels available. Remember that channel 16 is a hailing channel and emergency channel. Do not hold a conversation on this channel. If you're in distress, use Mayday, Mayday, Mayday on the radio. If you are not in distress, simply call Coast Guard. The Coast Guard primary search and rescue role is to assist boaters in distress. The Coast Guard does not recommend cell phones as a substitute to regular maritime radio distress and safety systems.
If you are in distress, use your VHF radio, channel 16, and say, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Power Vessel Ace Boater, Power Vessel Ace Boater, Power Vessel Ace Boater, Mayday, Ace Boater. We are located at 44 degrees, 28.7 minutes north, 73 degrees, 14.4 minutes west in Lake Champlain. We are taking on water, and we require immediate assistance. Everybody is in good health.